Are you looking how to copy Facebook group link on your mobile phone and share it? Now this video is just for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to copy Facebook group link on your mobile phone and share it. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Go to the menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, I want you to click on Groups and select which group you want to share. Once selected, you just need to click on Invite button, Share Group, and at the bottom, you can see Copy Link. Click on that. And there you go. You already copied the link of this specific group. And you can go ahead and share it to whoever you want. And that's it. That's how you copy Facebook group link on mobile phone and share it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.